Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to find the file manager on any Oppo phone. Now to do that, just swipe up and open the app drawer. Then in the search bar, just search this. And from here, you will find the file managers on your smartphone. In our Oppo phone, we have two file manager apps. There is the one from Google, and there is also the file manager app from Oppo. Now, if you open the file manager app on your smartphone, from here, you will be able to get access of all your photos, videos, files, and documents of your smartphone. And from here, you can check the remaining storage out of the total storage. And you can also do the same with Google's File Manager app. If you open the Google's File Manager app, from here you will be able to get access of your photos, videos, your downloads folder, and documents. And this is how you can find the File Manager app on any Oppo phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.